Hey guys, I'm Prashant and welcome to Techno. Today in this video I'm gonna unbox Redmi Note 4 and I will also give a full review about Redmi Note 4. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to unbox it so that we can find out what's in the box. The first thing we get in the box is device itself, and it is identical to the Redmi Note 3. We also get an adapter here, and this adapter is rated at 5V 2A, and bad news here, it's not a fast charger. And we get a micro USB cable, and there is our SIM ejector tool. Now here's our device. Let me give you a physical overview of this device. On the left we get a SIM tray, and it's a dual SIM hybrid slot. On the right we get volume key and power key. On the bottom we get a micro USB jack and two vents. One will be for the speaker and one will be for the mic. And on this side we get a 3.5mm jack here, IR blaster here, and a secondary noise cancellation mic. The back layout is the same as Redmi Note 3, but the speaker vent this time is at the bottom, not on the back. The UI is similar to any MI smartphone out there. Now take a look at the settings. About phone. The Android version is 6.0.1, MIUI 8.1, 3GB RAM and octa-core 2GHz max. Now let's get back to the main menu. Now let's check out the camera UI here. And the camera UI is similar to Redmi Note 3. We get panorama mode, manual mode, beauty mode, and all the other mode which we also get in the Redmi Note 3 as well. Now let's go to the settings, and we can also control camera sounds. We can also scan QR codes here, and all the settings are same as the Redmi Note 3. Now switching to video mode, and in video mode we can shoot time-lapse and slow-mo videos. Slow-mo videos are only supported in HD resolution. And here are some camera samples, and if you want to check the original images, then there is a link in description, you can check out. As I had already used Redmi Note 3 for the couple of days, I have to say the camera quality is improved here in Redmi Note 4. Now check out the camera shortcut by double clicking volume down key from the lock screen or when the device is locked. And as you can see, it works every time. It has a screen size of 5.5 inch and full HD resolution with the PPI of 401, and this display looks good. For the reference, let me show you some wallpapers. Viewing angles are great from each side, so you don't have to worry about the viewing angles. In terms of build quality, this device is fine, it's not that great. And I personally don't like these two plastic pieces on the back. If we are talking about the build quality, then let me show you something. Did you hear that? I'm not putting a lot of pressure here. This happens only from the right side near power key, and you can try this with your Redmi Note 3 as well. Now you guys are judge here and let me know in the comment what you think about its build quality. And if we talk about memory management of this device, it's really good. You will not face any lagginess with user interface even when you have multiple running apps in background. And as you can see, I'm using multiple apps and every app is present in memory, so this device is doing really good in terms of memory management. And I had also performed benchmark test on this device and the benchmark scores are here. Now let's talk about the gaming performance. I did quite a bit of gaming and played some of heavy games, and as you can see it played every game without any issue, and the best thing was that even with the extended gaming this device did not overheat up, so for gaming also this is a good device. And for fun, I had also tried to play game even when other games are in memory, and it performs quite good in that situation also. And now let's talk about the best part of this device, the battery life. It is really good. It can give you easily 10 to 11 hours of screen on time on a single charge. But this device does not support quick charge, so to charge it from 0 to 100%, it takes about 3 hours. So again guys, I hope you find this video helpful, and if you still not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.